Hi, and welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe, we will be taking a pan. Then, we will be adding half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Along with that, we will add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. To this, we will add 3 cloves and 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorn. After adding these ingredients, we will be dry roasting them in the pan for 3 minutes. Once the aromatic smell of the spices comes through, we will now switch off the flame. Now, this must be kept aside to cool down. After the mixture of the spices has cooled down, we will now take a grinder jar and add the spices to it. This will now be grounded into a fine powder. After the spices have been grounded, this can now be kept aside. Now, we will take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil to it. Once the oil turns slightly hot, we will now add 1 medium-sized sliced onion to the pan. After adding this onion, we will now fry the mixture for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, we will now be adding half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to the pan. After adding ginger garlic paste to the pan, we will now fry it with the onions until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away, we will then add 3/4 teaspoons of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to this mixture. After adding these spices, we will now mix this and fry it for another 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, we will now add 1/4 cup of water and mix this well. After mixing it with the water in the pan, we will then add 250 grams of meat which has been pressure cooked for 10 minutes in half a cup of water. Along with this, we will add the grounded spices from earlier and let this cook well for the next 5 minutes. After cooking it for 5 minutes, we will now add salt as per taste and cook it for an additional 2 minutes. Finally, we will add coriander leaves to garnish and our dish is then ready to be served. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe, as this helps me make more videos that would be equally enjoyable.